How to fix uTorrent not working with ExpressVPN. Here are some tips that would help you fix uTorrent not working with ExpressVPN. 1. Switch to a different, optimal, ExpressVPN server. 2. Switch to another, P2P-friendly, VPN protocol. 3. Remove and reinstall or update your ExpressVPN app. 4. Check your antivirus software and see if your uTorrent and/or ExpressVPN has been blocked, blacklisted. 5. Optimize uTorrent for safety and speed. Check or reset current uTorrent settings. 6. Try using uTorrent Web over uTorrent Classic. 7. Disable IPv6 on your Windows or macOS computer. Furthermore, 1. Flush your DNS. 2. Try use another free VPN. 8. Other tips are, restart uTorrent. Reboot your PC. Unplug your router/modem from the power line for a minute, then plug it back in. Remove, using the recommended uninstall tool Pro in this video guide, install uTorrent. Enable Express kill switch. Update your uTorrent app.